What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today I'm talking about how to start a business using your job. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay. There's a few ways you can go about doing this, but I'm going to go from the point of basically using what you learned on your job to create a business. Okay? A lot of people, they say, "Oh, I can't start a business. I don't know the first thing about business. I don't know the first thing about whatever, doing this or doing that. I don't know nothing about that. I don't know how to start no business. I'm scared. I just don't know what to do." And honestly, I get it. Starting a business is scary. It is, okay? But what's even scarier is relying on someone else to always pay you. Relying on someone else to provide everything you need for your family. Because I'm not saying that you should quit your job or not have a job in any case or anything like that, okay? While starting a business or creating your business. I'm not saying to start from blank and think that, it's going to work out, easily for you from that starting point. All I'm saying is that if you're going to have a job, you need to have a business, okay? So what you can do is, right? It doesn't really matter where you work. All you need to learn is their operation. How do they operate? How do they start? Read up on the business and find out how did they start. How did they come about? What did the owner do to start that business? Okay, whatever it is, and you can easily mimic what that person did. Okay, for instance, let's say you are a receptionist for a Fortune 500 company, right? And so basically, all you have to do is find out how the operation works. Okay, you find out the beginning stages, what they do, what they provide, what are the products or services that they provide, and then you look at what they're doing wrong. Okay, where do they lack? Or if you can't find something that they lack in, okay, you can actually just mimic whatever it is, especially if it's a service. You can provide that service at a lower cost and at a lower scale and become a competitor. Okay, especially if you didn't sign any type of no competition clause or anything like that, then boom, you can become a competitor of that company that you work for because you've learned from the inside how things operate. Okay, so all you gotta do is take some time to learn how other departments in your job work, how everything operates, what service do they provide, all that good stuff. And then once you learn all that good stuff, you put that to use in starting your own business, okay? Starting something you can provide. Maybe you work for a home cleaning service. Maybe you work for a property manager. Maybe you work for a real estate company. Maybe you work for like I said, a big time transportation company, okay? And you can do what they do on a lower scale. Or you can just learn business, how a business would operate, just by watching and learning how where you work at operates. Okay, you don't have to go to a big time business school to learn how business operates. Okay, and what a business structure is. know what I'm saying, the higher ups, how's everything, you know what I'm saying, broken down and things like that. Because once you learn all that good stuff, then you can start your own business in the same manner, okay? You, like I say, you just become a competitor on a lower scale. You know what I'm saying? It's not that hard to start a business nowadays, man. This is the era of the entrepreneur, okay? With such things as online marketing and buying a website, getting domain names and hosting and all that good stuff, man. You could start a business in a weekend. You know what I'm saying? You could be up and running in business on a weekend, bruh. Back in the day, there was no such thing, man. Take them months just to get the business popping. Just to get started, okay? Just to get it going. So I say all that to say, man, all you have to do is right where you work. It doesn't matter where you work. Find out how they do it, what they do, how they started, what is the business structure, and follow that, and then create something of your own. Okay? That's it, man. Or you can learn what I do. I've started an online marketing business. I do online marketing, and the tools I use and how I've become financially free just by online marketing, okay? Very simple, very easy. And if you follow the steps, you'll make $50 just by signing up with me. Just by signing up through my steps. Okay, you'll actually make some money. Okay? And you can use that money for, investments, or if you're hard up on cash, you can buy yourself some food. Whatever it is, okay? Just signing up with the Wealthbuilderz and following the steps, you can end up making some money. So with all that being said, man, go ahead and click the wealthbuildersystem.com link. Okay? The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. It's your boy Devon signing off for how to use your job to start a business. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealthbuilderz, baby.